I see your center is very green and ecological. You have lots of flowers around. I want to ask you, what is your view on ecology? And why did you do it this way here?
Let's look. What is ecology? It's it's a balance of nature, basically. Now, everyone's made buildings and buildings and buildings, but the spirit, our soul, our deeper self needs space and needs green and needs nature. So, um, a quarter of my property is just for trees. I have trees in the front, I have trees in the back. That's the first thing I did before any building came up. And this, most people, they don't understand that before you start building, you have to make your garden. So that's why the moment you enter our place, you feel a big difference because there is something which is in tune with nature.